In the previous lesson, we created these 3 buildings with floors. And you'll notice that there's a shell of a building and actually floor slabs defined based on the settings with the Onuma plugin in SketchUp. And now instead of uploading to Google Warehouse, we're going to upload it to the Onuma system. So I'm going to click this last button here that's called Export BIM XML. And it's going to confirm you have 3 buildings, 173 floors. And just click OK to that and save that Chicago one. I'm going to save it to my desktop as an XML file. So I'm taking it from SketchUp into XML. And next I'm going to load in this model into the Onuma system. I'll open up the Sandbox Studio, and I have a project that I'll call Chicago Studies. It's created a new project, and I'm going to add a scheme from SketchUp and go and grab a file from my desktop called BIMstorm Chicago 1. It imports what was exported from SketchUp and actually creates a BIM with 3 buildings and about 173 floors combined, about 45 floors, 48 floors in each building. So within a few minutes here, it's imported those 3 buildings into the Onuma system, and now we're in the building information modeling world. These actually have data attached to them, so even by default, if we create a report of these 3 buildings, it's going to start giving us area calculations and cost. Here's an initial report based on default values. They're very large buildings. And these can be exported out to Revit and other tools for continued study or continue to edit it in the Onuma system. If we look at it in 3D view, it flies to that location in Google Earth plugin in the Onuma system. There are the buildings. If we turn on spaces, default elevator cores have been created, and you still can move those around in the Onuma system. If I turn off slabs, you'll see that each of these buildings have cores for elevators and stairs and restrooms.